I have been teaching in Umdikar Mauser LP and UP school as an assistant teacher for 15 years now. Before such intervention, our school was in dilapidated condition, but now we can see a lot of improvement after complete school renovation. The school now has a smart class which is beneficial to the students of all grades. We have allotted different time slots for different classes. The syllabus and notes are already installed in the system, so it's very easy to operate.
After intervention of the SACH HDFC bank, there was an improvement to our school. Through this renovation, now we have a proper building, proper furniture and toilets that we don't have before, the separate for boys and girls. Now we have a separate toilet for both boys and girls. Now we have also the whiteboard each and every class. Now we have sport materials